So if this print finishes, I mean, when it finishes, because it's gonna finish. It's gonna, no issues, all the way through. 19 and a half hours in right now. 56 and a half hours total print time. This is what it's looking like so far. So this entire outer ring right here rotates. And when it rotates, it spins each one of these. And when each one of those spins, it will open up these little doors on top that will be up here somewhere. And it'll be a hollow storage. So, all print in place, all moving parts, and so far they do look like they're printing completely free. So, and then I thought about a little ways in. This is a silk, and I've always had issues with silk expanding a little too much and making everything just really tight and tolerance prints like this. But I'm having awesome luck with this one. I don't know if I just got the right everything going, but this thing's gonna be cool looking. I can't wait. Here's the colors. It's black and gold.